Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix the access is denied error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Step 1. Open Registry Editor as admin and backup registry. Open the search menu and type Regedit. Right-click Registry Editor and choose Run as administrator. If prompted by user account control, click Yes. Before making any changes, you should create a backup of the registry to prevent potential issues. To do this, click on the File menu in the Registry Editor window, then choose Export. Enter a file name such as Registry Backup, set export range to all, and save the backup to a location that is easy to remember. This backup can be used to restore your system if anything goes wrong. If you ever need to restore it, click File Import, and then select the backup file. Step 2. Delete the DisableCMD Key. In Registry Editor, navigate to click on System. On the right side, locate DisableCMD. Right-click it, choose Delete, click Yes to confirm. Close Registry Editor and restart your computer. Try opening Command Prompt. It should now work normally. Hopefully, after following the steps above, you have successfully re-enabled access to the command prompt on your Windows computer. Thank you so much for following along with this tutorial. I hope it was helpful to you. See you in the next guide.